Hello, everyone. Welcome back to FreshHire Signals. Big update for all candidates waiting for Accenture Mass Hiring 2026 results. Today, we will talk about document verification updates, BGV emails, and the real truth about the Phase 3 exam. So, watch carefully till the end because this update can clear most of your doubts. Current update. Recently, many candidates have started receiving emails regarding document verification and background verification, also known as BGV. But here is something very important. Accenture sends updates in batches. That means not everyone receives emails at the same time. So if your friend received a mail and you didn't, it does not mean rejection. Document verification candidates who completed interviews earlier are being processed first. Some candidates received emails in February, while others are still waiting. Also, many emails are landing inside the spam folder. So make sure you check inbox, spam, and promotions tab regularly. And always ensure your workday profile details are correct. Required documents for background verification. You may need a graduation certificate, provisional or final degree, highest qualification proof, and employment documents if applicable. All documents must match your application details exactly. Check mark after verification. Once verification is completed successfully, candidates may receive letter of intent, offer letter, and onboarding or training information. This means you are moving forward in the hiring process. Phase 3, exam update. Now the biggest question, will Phase 3 exam happen? The answer is simple. It depends completely on business requirements. If enough candidates are already selected, Phase 3 may be limited or may not happen for everyone. So don't panic and wait for official updates. Why the process is slow? Mass hiring takes time. Usually, the complete process takes around 6 to 7 months because the hiring flow includes online exam, interview, document verification, LOI, and finally joining. Thousands of candidates are processed together, so delays are completely normal. Selection factors. Final selection depends on project availability, location requirements, client demand, and interview performance. So timelines can be different for every candidate. Important advice, my honest advice is do not depend on only one company. Keep applying for other opportunities and continue improving your skills. And remember, not receiving an email yet does not mean rejection. Outro. If this update helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to FreshHire Signals for real hiring updates. Comment your current Accenture status below. See you in the next update.